Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of garden maintenance with a focus on the Stihl FS80 parts. If you're looking to optimize your Stihl FS series equipment, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The Stihl FS80 parts kit by partszen has been making waves in the lawn care community for its reliability and performance. Designed specifically for models like FS75, FS80, FS85, and more, this kit includes essential components like the carburetor, ignition coil, air filters, and more. Let's break down what makes this kit stand out. Firstly, the carburetor, meticulously crafted to ensure optimal fuel delivery, enhancing engine performance and fuel efficiency. Paired with the ignition coil, which boasts robust construction, ensuring reliable starts and consistent operation even under tough conditions. What sets these parts apart? Well, they're built to last, crafted from high-quality materials that withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Whether you're tackling dense weeds or trimming around delicate flower beds, these parts ensure your Stihl equipment runs smoothly, day in and day out. Installing these parts is straightforward, even if you're not a seasoned mechanic. We recommend cleaning the engine area thoroughly before installation to prevent debris from compromising performance. Always refer to your equipment's manual for specific instructions tailored to your model. To prolong the lifespan of your Stihl FS80 parts, regular maintenance is key. Keep air filters clean and inspect components for wear and tear. This proactive approach ensures your equipment remains in peak condition, ready for any task you throw its way. In conclusion, the Stihl FS80 parts kit from partszen offers exceptional value for anyone looking to optimize their Stihl FS series equipment. With durable construction, easy installation, and enhanced performance, it's no surprise these parts are highly recommended across the board. That wraps up our review of the Stihl FS80 parts kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques and garden care tips. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your garden pristine. This is Product Critique, signing off.